Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. You know what? In this video, I'm talking about the cryptocurrencies creation. This time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. Every coin price is going down. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week, price changes is every coin is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, this all coin is negative. But my friends, in this video, we're talking about the Holochain. So the Holochain price change is also negative, and the latest update, the last 60 minute price change is positive 2.23%. The price start pumping. Hope they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Pray for it, my friends. So my friends, at this time, all holders is in the loss. How we can save ourselves from loss in this video, I will show you, my friends. Keep watch, but my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. The current price of the Holochain is 0.006248 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Holochain. Furthermore, if we talk about the price change, so the last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative. That means that you are in the loss. Let me show you the price chart, my friends, for better and easily understanding, my friends. From this chart, everyone can understand that we are in the loss because the chart is going down. That means that you are in the loss. And the price change is also negative 24.28% negative. My friends, the price of the Holochain is going down from the last 1 month. From the last 1 month, the price of Holochain is very badly going down. So if the price is going down, so we are in the loss. How we can save ourselves from loss? My friends, my personal advice, I think that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss at this time. At this time, my friends. If you hold, maybe there's a possibility so the price will pump in the future. But if you decide to sell, my friends, that's clear that you are in the loss. Don't decide to sell, please hold it. What is your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.